How to make money on YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 6 different faceless channels that you guys can start in 2019. I know a lot of you are a bit embarrassed, maybe you're afraid of your friends and family seeing you on YouTube, so you don't want to show your face, but I'm here to show you today that you don't even have to, okay? I'm going to show you 6 faceless channels. All these channels I'm showing you today, they never ever show their face and they're getting millions and millions of views, alright? So stick around to the end of the video because you're not going to want to miss any of these ideas. You could have something in this video that you've never even thought of before, and you can start a channel about that today, alright? So stick around to the end of the video. But before we do jump into this video, if you are interested in videos just like this one, entrepreneurship, making money online, check out my channel because I post a video just like this one every single day of the week. So click that subscribe button, ring the notification bell to stay on top of any future uploads, alright? And don't forget to check out my #1 recommendation. You can see on your screen right here. It's the first link at the top of the description. If you want to learn how to make a full-time passive income online, check that out, alright? Make money while you sleep or while you're traveling the world, basically whenever you want, alright? So check that out. But without further ado, let's jump to the computer. I'll show you 5 or 6 different faceless channels that you can start today. Alright then guys, so the first channel I want to show you is this one right here. This is Recipes by Karina, and as you can see, she does cooking and baking videos and gets a lot of views. And the best thing about this is she never once shows her face in her videos. As you can see, I'll skip through here just a little bit for you. She never shows her face. All she does is records what she's doing. She's just mixing in a bowl, you know, flattening the things out in the pan. That's all she does is record what she's doing. Never once shows her face. She has a little bit of music on some parts. She talks over some parts, narrates over it, and that is all she does. And look at the views she gets. 1.2 million views on this video. I chose this one because I love cheesecake, and that's the only reason I chose this one. Look at other videos though, guys. Look, buttercream icing recipe, 9.3 million views. Never shows her face. Only a 4-minute video. These are so easy to do. Just cook. Okay, that's all you gotta do is cook or bake. If you're good at that, you can start a channel doing the exact same thing as her. There are loads of other ones just like this who never show their face and have cooking or baking channels. Do the exact same thing, guys. Copy what works, and this is clearly working. And there's endless ideas. You can make thousands upon thousands of videos in this niche because there are so many recipes out there. Just buy yourself a recipe book and go through it. Make a video on every single page, and you got a few hundred videos there to last you a year already, okay? And you can do a few every single day as well. Just knock a few out and like knock 3 or 4 out in one day, and then that's only one day's work for a whole week of videos. Really nice way to make money with a cooking channel, and there are a lot of views to get here. And the best thing is, it doesn't matter where you are from. You can do this worldwide, okay? It doesn't matter where you're from. You can do this. Start a cooking channel. Indian channels like Indian curries and stuff like that, they are huge as well. If you got some like unusual recipes in your country, that would be great. People would love to see that. So check it out, guys. Start a channel like this. Could make a lot of money from it. Alright, next up is going to be if you are a arty person, like, and you like arts and crafts, stuff like that, you can start a channel just like this. This is 5 Minutes Crafts, and they are like the second, third, or fourth biggest channel on YouTube. Look at the subscribers, 51 million subscribers. That's probably like, I don't know, 4th or 5th biggest YouTube channel in the entire world, guys. Again, look at the views. They get 263 million views on this one video. Okay, look at that. 158 million, 127. Look how many videos they've got, like over 40-50 million views. It is insane the amount of views they get, and they never show their face. This is a faceless channel as well. If you go back to this video, guys, skip through here a little bit, they never show their face. This is 42 holy grail hacks that will save you a fortune. They never show their face. The entire video is just little videos of them doing pretty stupid things, guys, to be honest, guys. These things, these life hacks that they show you, they are really, really stupid things that you would probably never, ever find useful in your life. But they're getting 263 million views from it. So it's clearly working. They're getting a lot of views. You can start a channel just like this if you are into arts and crafts. Try it, guys. Just go for it, okay? Look at the views they get. And there's a lot of channels just like this that get not quite this many views, but they get millions of views as well. And next up is going to be a channel that I actually really like. This is Improvement Pill, and he does like motivational kind of videos, okay? And he does it all on sort of like an animated whiteboard, which I'll show you very shortly how you can do exactly the same as this. But look at this, again, faceless channel, never ever shows his face, and he just does videos like this, okay, motivational. This is called 4 Shocking Habits of Successful People. Really nice channel. I recommend checking it out if you're not subscribed. I know if you're interested in making money online, entrepreneurship, check his channel out. It could keep you motivated, okay, to become successful. But you could start a channel just like this as well, guys. So look at his views you're getting. 5.9 million, 3.5 million, 2.6 million. A lot of views. Quite a few videos, around 1 million views already. And yeah, you can do exactly the same thing as him. So this is, I'm pretty sure this is probably what he's using, doodly.com. I'll have a link to this in the description down below for you if you're interested in this. But this is basically how you make videos like this. They give you like 200 or so different characters. Each character has like 200, like loads of different poses and different backgrounds and stuff like that. There are so many things you can make with this. You would never ever run out of ideas using this. And this is basically what it looks like, guys. It looks like a little animated whiteboard. And it's pretty simple to use. They give you tutorials and stuff like on here as well. Pretty easy to use once you get the hang of it anyway. So check this out. You could be interested. If you're a motivational person, if you're good at speaking, then you could start a channel just like this one, Improvement Pill. The next channel I want to show you is this one right here. And the reason that I wanted to show you this one is because it is not even in English. You need to think, guys, that most people who are pumping out videos, they're all doing them in English. Well, not all, but most, okay? Because they think that's where the most views are. But this guy does like Indian videos, I think. Sorry if I'm getting that wrong. But look at the views he gets, guys. 8.4 million, 8 million, 7 million, 7 million. He gets massive amounts of views, and the videos aren't even in English. If you're Indian or something like that, okay, India has just recently started coming on like online, like really heavily lately. You know, you're getting Wi-Fi in like all your cities and stuff like that, which is great. So start a YouTube channel now is a great time. Start an Indian YouTube channel because the people are coming onto YouTube. Take T-Series, for example. Subscribe to PewDiePie, by the way. But take T-Series, for example. They've got like 80 million or 90 million subscribers in like the last like a year, maybe. Not even that. Okay, they're growing exponentially because in all of India is now coming to start coming online. Okay, so check this out, guys. You can create a channel just like this in whatever language you speak. You can do this. It doesn't have to be in English. There is a niche specific for your country, okay, because your country has a specific language, and there are people who can't speak English. They're looking for videos in your particular language, and you could be the only channel in a specific niche for them that they're looking for. Okay, so check this out. Start a channel in whatever language you can speak, and there could be a lot of views ready for you there. Another great idea for a faceless channel is to start like a top 10 compilation kind of channel, okay? So there are so many of these, like right here, most amazing top 10. So all they do is take clips from loads of different YouTube videos, stick them together in their own video, put some music on top of it, and that is it. They never even have to speak in their videos, okay? They don't have to show their face or speak. They're basically just stealing other people's content. I've actually got a video on the channel showing you exactly how you can do this and make some money with this, okay? So I'll link that in the description down below. It's not really stealing because they have a certain license that does allow you to actually use their videos. But yeah, there's a way to do it, guys, all right? So yeah, start a top 10 channel, a compilation channel. So many different things you can do these in. Top 10 scary things, top 10 magic tricks, top 10... that's Thaiism in Thailand. Loads of different things, guys. Okay, there's so many different ideas that you can have. Just go onto YouTube, type in top 10, do a little search, and see what kind of niche you're interested in, and make some videos on that. And last but not least, guys, is a channel just like mine. Okay, this video right here is one of my first videos. When I first started on YouTube, I didn't do any video, any face recording whatsoever. I did review videos on different affiliate programs and stuff like that. Okay, this is the AZ code review. Got only 3,000 views, but I did get a few sales because in my description I put an affiliate link, and I did actually get a few sales from this video. This is one of my first ones without a face, and even now, like I'm recording this video right now without showing my face. I do still do it on the intros and the outros just to give it a more personal touch. But yeah, I didn't have to do that. I just do it because I want to. But I certainly don't have to do it. I probably still would get just as many views if I didn't do it. But yeah, you can just start a channel just like mine, show people how to make money online, and yeah, you can get some decent views from doing that, even without showing your face. Alright then guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. Those are 6 faceless channels that you can start today, okay? You don't have to show your face on YouTube to actually make money on YouTube, alright? And I've shown you that in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. And check out my #1 recommendation. I highly recommend that first link at the top description. Make big money online, a full-time passive income, alright? First link, check it out right now. Go to the description right now and click it, okay? Do that for me and you'll benefit from it as well. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video.